Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Helpline. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to reset PayPal account's password. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also, press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you're trying to log into your PayPal account but you've forgotten your password during logging in, then from the login area of PayPal, tap on Forgot Password link beneath the password box. Soon after you do that, you'll need to type in your email address or your username on the next page that is associated with the account you're trying to reset. Once you type in the email address, tap the Next button. Now, it says that you'll receive a text message on the mobile number that you registered with PayPal. In order to reset your password, tap the Next button and enter the security code that has been sent to you via SMS. Once you type in the security code that has been sent on your mobile number, tap the Continue button beneath. Now, you'll get to enter a new password and confirm the password. To reset your password, simply go ahead and enter the password you're trying to change to and confirm the password in the next box by retyping it again. Make sure both of the passwords in the text boxes matches, and if you want to log out of all the devices that has been logged in with your PayPal for your security, check this little box beneath. After you are done, tap Save, and there you have successfully reset your password to something else on PayPal. Next time you log into your account, enter your email address and your password correct. While typing in your password, make sure to type in the new password you just created and tap the Login button. That is how you can easily reset your password for PayPal even if you've forgotten your details while logging into your account. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.